All right, folks, what we got here today is snowplow. I want to say it's Myers, but it might not be. Unimount. And what happened is, over time, these back holes get raggedy. I mean, you see what they use for the main big mount, and even those, the holes start to get a little sloppy. So anyway, this tore out, caused me headaches. I'm going to rebuild those mounts, probably with a little thicker tubing. But what it also did when it broke is, so let's look at that's kind of how it's supposed to look. And see again how it's eating them holes. So that's not how it's supposed to look. It broke. The weight basically folded that. So we have to straighten it and fix the holes. I'm not buying a whole new plow frame, although I know there's one that I should grab if I could grab, because it's the same unit and it'd be a nice change out if you needed a spare. So we got Chili representing. Chili Billy. Shit, smile? No. How about a smile? Smile. Huh? Yeah. Anyway, so we got all the tools to trade out. We're going to take the porta power. We're going to push. We're going to take the big torch. We're going to heat. We've got a couple hammers. My probably oldest favoritist. My newest favoritist. Gloves. Mask. So I'm going to pause you temporarily while I put the first heat on this. And then we'll see what we can do from there. Alright guys, we're pouring the heat to her. Looking for a nice good bit of red hot. I'm going to get a little hotter. Shut the torch down. And see if the porta power will help. And yes, for those of you out there who are astute, a rosebud would be a much better tool. Let's see if it'll... Can't tell. Tappy tap. A little pushy push. Push till I don't got ram. Let's look at the other side real quick. No, we're not pushing her side. We're pushing the side we need to. We might have to heat her up and adjust. Feels like I'm probably out of block or push. So let's back her off and see if we can't get a better push. More leverage. Porta powers are slower than slow. I also got the real big hammer, but the problem is you can't really, the way this is set up, I can't really get a whole lot of whack on shit. And the messed up part is with the porta power, it probably don't look like I'm doing a whole lot. And my poor porta power don't seem like he's got a lot of push. We're gonna pause y'all again for a little bit. All right, back to the heat. Hopefully we got, hopefully, arm out of the way. Lots of heat. Redder the better. time's always of the essence. Got to strike while the iron's hot, da-da-da. We were having a little issue with the quarter power, but I think I got them figured out again. Pretty much every time I use the quarter power, it's kind of always a little bit of an issue. But only because I only use the son of a gun here and there and once in a while. Let's go ahead and bad part is going to be trying to straighten it the downward way. But what we might do here in a second is back him off and see if maybe I think that's going to be still be the move. Because we're also twisted this way. I got to get it on something hard so I can hit it in that direction. So I got to figure out a way to tie it down, or possibly push on it with the wheel lift, or a different way with the porta power, or we might have to cut it off from up here and replace that. I don't know yet. Let me pause and think about this for a few. Okay, wow, that many minutes already. Now we're gonna go to, I'm gonna stand on it and try to hit the ever loving daylights out of it. Hammer, 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 which hammer? Biggest one I can swing. I think I'm getting some movement, but I really am not sure. Might go ahead and heat it up again. But yeah, I think I got some twist in it, out of it. Again, we're gonna pause, I'm gonna heat, make a couple more adjustments. We'll be back. All right, guys, we are pushing the heat. And we're getting ready to hit it with a big hammer again. Yeah, no more wood's on fire. Ain't worried about it. All right. Let's see what Johnny got in. Big hammer, little hammer. We're going big hammer. I like the big hammer. So, if you look at it from my angles, I almost got it straightened up. I think I'm gonna try and hit it that way one more time and see what happens. Until then, you're on pause. Okay guys, so final decision. This part of the plow frame only really holds it up. I probably could leave it with that bend in it, but I don't like it. So these holes mount in my Toro hole down here. Right now they're at 19.5. If I was to take this beefy ass piece that I got right here and I haven't decided, I might be able to overlay it, but anyway, we're probably going to rebuild the lower side of this using that stuff, because I could push, I could pull, I could mess with it. I could be all day. Also, if I was really pressed, this centerpiece from the company probably ain't that expensive, but I don't like buying stuff, so this is kind of oaky. That's not bad, but like I said, I think I may do a little bit of modification, because it actually looks like I've pushed that side out a little bit. So we'll probably take some measurements, cut it off. Oh hell, I don't know. We'll see. Either front side of that or back side of that, we'll cut it off, and we'll just rebuild the bottom end so that make it tough. Like I said, all it does is hold up the plow frame. It doesn't really do that much work. So if we could get Chill to smile. Sit and smile, buddy. Smiles. A smile for the crowd? Come on. No smiles. Okay, guys. Anyway, Chill approves. He says it's lunchtime. I say it's break time. And yeah, I think I'm just going to cut that. I can probably fix it faster cutting it apart and welding in new metal than trying to straighten it out. If you didn't have no other choice, you'd straighten out the best you could and run with it. So until the next one, and I will throw a secondary video up on this showing you the final unmessed, I've dealt with it product. But for now, we're going to quit wasting y'all's time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on up the road.